Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SHIB video update. Now previously the last videos that I talked about SHIB, I told you that SHIB is breaking out of this inverse head and shoulder, and so far it's doing an amazing job. We started really pumping off the inverse head and shoulder at the moment, and the technical target really takes you all the way up to 1484. Now that really means that the stop loss that I talked about at 1141 previously in the video can now be placed up here to this level, which is going to be 1203, or if you want to just give it a little bit of room, it can be at 1176. But I will say if it does come down to 1204, then that is not a good sign at all. Okay, so if you actually come down 1204, you're absolutely looking bad. But at the moment, we are looking for a potential price appreciation from there to there, and 17% move to the upside. So that's amazing. Congratulations to anyone who's taking this trade, and that's actually bringing the daily EMA as well. So everything is making a bull cross, and we pretty much have made the bull cross for SHIB as well. The bull cross is done, confirmed, and you're looking for this thing to go up there. You might actually come up here, go a little bit back test the 10 EMAs as well. Now I do expect this price target to be met by maybe in the next 3 days. Okay, today's Tuesday, we already have that green candle. Tomorrow pump again, make 3 white soldiers, and then just continue like this until Friday, and then Friday, Saturday, you actually meet the technical target, make a little bit of a break in the weekends, just consolidate here, and maybe, who knows, continue even higher. I do expect SHIB to actually, if it does have a bull cross, and this bull cross, keep in mind, we do have the bull cross now, which is pretty much confirmed after a very long time, ever since November last year. So that's a lot of time to actually make a valid bull cross now. Amazing. That was a nice, good, huge inverse head and shoulder. And let me tell you one thing, you do have another inverse head and shoulder as well, so which has a technical target to take you from there to there, and we're looking for SHIB to actually continue to this level here, which can be 2000 level or 1800 level if you want to say. So it doesn't stop at 1400 level, right? And that's it for today's update on SHIB as well, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.